Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cycloheptene is there. In first position you have long isopropyl and ethyl and dimethyl. You have to find the IUPAC name of it. Here the answer involves many facts and many priorities. Normally you have to give priority to the cyclic group. So cycle gets higher priority number. So cyclic group gets higher number than acyclic. Then the priority comes for alkene is higher than alkane. Again the long chain here gets higher number. So propyl gets higher number. So the name will be 2-ethyl and 4,4-dimethyl and propyl cycloheptone. Here dimethyl you don't count D as the alphabetical order. So M will come first, then comes P. So the alphabetical order come from the functional group, not from di and tri. Here the concept you have to learn here is you have to master the priority of the functional group. Cyclic is always greater than acyclic and alkene is greater than alkane. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.